Okay, so let's start. Today we are going to present how to make references part of our document and part of PhD thesis. So it's very important. So generally what we do, we go to scholar.google.com. Then we pick up any reference, let's say Judge Timothy, the famous person for OB and HR. Okay, now suppose I want to cite this. What I will do, I will go here and I will copy and I will paste. Okay, now I'm going to tell you something interesting which will help most of the research scholars. So what we go do, we go to a reference manager. Now what is a reference manager? Is simple, who manages a reference. Okay, one of the famous reference managers is Mendeley. You have Zotero also. Okay, now if you go to Mendeley, this is where you open your account. You need to open your account. I have already opened my account. Let me check, let me sign. Okay, let me try to accept all of this. Yeah, let me sign in. Okay, and then as far as I remember, my password and everything. Let's see, because you can also, so it's a quite comprehensive thing. Let's see what happens. I don't know what's happening. Let's see. Continue. Anyways, no problem. Yeah, that's the point. Okay. Yeah, technology can be sometimes not incomprehensible. Okay, yeah. So we have logged in. Okay, now what's the advantage of this is, suppose I want to study this article. I want to use this article in my references. So now what I will do, generally people try to integrate Mendeley in a way that they will download this, they will download the paper and they will download the Mendeley software on the computer and then use it. Okay, they will feed in the Mendeley entries, but what we can do is we can use something called a web importer for Mendeley. Okay, so web importer, what it helps you in installing in getting the references. So I have this Firefox browser. This is Firefox Nightly. If I click on this, it will install. It is available on Chrome also. This is Mendeley. Okay, now let us sync, no problem. So we get a reference bar here. Okay, when I click this, something like this will be appearing in Firefox and Chrome. You can try in Chrome, and for that, for more things, you can, I suppose, see the videos also. Okay, so now what does a web importer do? Suppose I want to use this citation. Okay, let's put this one, personality transfer transaction. Okay, now what I will do, I will go to the web importer, click it. It will ask me again to sign in, and as you say, this may take a few seconds. Now it has logged in. So now Mendeley library which I have, let me show you where is the library I have. Okay, let me sign in again. I will show you. Anyways, so yeah, I am here. So let me search my library. Yeah, this is my library. So Mendeley can work even if you do not have what we say, the desktop downloaded version. You can still work. So now this is my library. These are multiple papers. Now suppose I want to download this paper, or I want to get this paper. So what I will do, I will just click here. Okay, these are all the pages, all the references which are coming. Okay, so then I just say add, let's put O book, or let's say O book others. These are multiple libraries in my Mendeley. Okay, and then I just say add. Now what will happen, we will go and see when it is done. something of that sort reference should come in this here, and let's sync it. Syncing means it is syncing with the computer. See, this reference, personality and performance at the millennium, this is in my library here, and we can also see, yeah, okay, recently added Barrack and Mount P. Judge. Now this reference is there. Now what I want to use Word. I want to use this is my Word, so that's very simple. Open any document, let's Control N, and we will have this, so we can write we used to cite. Now those of you who know Mendeley, they can go here, install. Right now it is uninstall, but you will have, like you can see, install web importer, install web MS Word plugin. Okay, so if you click MS Word plugin, the plugin will get installed. I already have installed, hence the option of uninstall is coming. So let us go here. So references, insert citation, and I go to Mendeley. There are multiple ways you can do it, and I just cite them. That's it. And now if I create reference, insert bibliography, the complete bibliography is there. Now that's the advantage of using Mendeley. Suppose you want to change it to American to IEEE, it will get changed. You want to change to Nature, it will change. Okay, so that's the advantage of reference manager. So that's the advantage of reference manager. We will talk more about it. For now it is enough, and anybody has any question can ask me in the comment box. Okay, thank you for watching this. Happy researching and happy referencing. And without referencing there is no research, because you are researching.